AJ. Well, breaking news tonight. Within the past half hour, a Mecklenburg County judge raised bond for a man charged with raping and killing a woman last month. Raphael Wright was arrested in Rock Hill last month and posted a $50,000 bond. That decision was criticized by local leaders like CMPD Chief Johnny Jennings. WCNC Charlotte's Kaylin Hagwood joins us now. Kaylin, what did you learn today from his court appearance?
Well, that new bond set at $850,000, giving families somewhat of a sigh of relief. The state was hoping to see a no bond in this case after, again, like you say, receiving so much backlash from law enforcement, from family themselves, getting very emotional over what took place. So let me walk you through this case and what happened, because we've been getting more details coming from the court on what happened the night that this crime was committed. So what the state says is that this all revolves around Raphael Wright meeting the victim as part of some type of an escort service, and so he goes to the hotel, and that is where the dispute is. Raphael Wright, he says that it was just him, the victim, and another individual in that hotel room. Things got physical. He wasn't expecting that other individual to be there, and that's when he fired his weapon in his defense. But the state says that is absolutely not what happened. They say surveillance video at the hotel actually shows that only he and the victim left that hotel room that night, that victim leaving after allegedly having been shot and dying a short time after, telling investigators before she passed away that she had been raped and shot by Raphael Wright. I want you to hear from both sides now of what they shared in the courtroom.
It's not if he is a danger, it is that he is a danger. And we know that because we have a woman who has been killed and raped because of his actions, because of what uncontroverted evidence shows, what video evidence shows. He's the only one who enters that whole hotel room. He's the only one that exits, and there's only one person dead. And he's the last person to have communicated with her.
When Raphael was arrested in Rock Hill, he had a massive black eye. You can still see that here. It's also noted in the discovery, the initial KP Cops reports, that he had numerous injuries all over his body. Raphael went there to meet Miss Schechter. She attempted to rob him. He defended himself, and this unfortunate situation occurred.
That was Wright's court-appointed attorney there in his defense, at one point calling him a victim in all this. The state said that is absolutely not the case, saying that this is just really an outright lie from their perspective, and being thankful, again, that the judge increased that bond amount. But again, they were hoping for a no bond in this case. Coming up at 5, you're going to hear from family of the victim about how emotional it has been knowing that he was able to get out on bond with that lower amount that was set. So I'm going to send things now back to you.
All right, Caitlin, thank you for that update.